go, boy. The hill I got to get up over there, but I've been studless all day. Well, good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing very well. It's a chilly November morning. It's the first actual quite chilly. I mean, it's about -5, I think, so we're just heading up to one of my favorite cliffs here, and we're going to shoot some drone footage and see what kind of pictures we can get. So stick around, it should be fun. So yes, there we go. That's what a 10-minute ride from my house gets you. Not bad day at all. So here's the deal with the weather. Today is absolutely beautiful, as you can see, but it's a little chilly. It's about -5 or 6 or somewhere in that area. Tonight it's supposed to start snowing, which I don't think it'll stick around because it's still a little early in the year. We usually don't get hit till the end of November. But they're saying we could get a bit of snow tonight and tomorrow, so I thought I'd pop up here and get a few drone clips. Because if they're right, this isn't going to look like this tomorrow. It's going to look like those mountain peaks over there. So yeah, let's pop that up and get a few shots. Might be a little dark in here for the camera. Kind of in a shady area. Boy, the ground freezes. As soon as it freezes, I kind of lose all my good old traction. Beautiful up here though, I gotta say. I'll show you guys a couple cool trees. There's one right there you can kind of see. They're pretty ginormous. That's a pretty big one there. I'll show you one that's laying on the ground over here if I can find it. I think it's right around here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. It's you can imagine when this tree stood, it was fair size. like to get up here one day on a trials bike or something and try and make a little climb over that, because that's, you know, that's higher than my handlebars on the 690 here. Look at the size of that thing. Isn't that cool? Oh, there's another massive one right there. I didn't even notice that before. Holy. Some old trees here. Pretty cool. Does it look cold to you guys through the camera? Ooh, yikes, that one's not breaking. Yikes. It's fun to play on the ice with no studs with the lighter bikes, but when this one falls over, it's just a whole big thing you don't want to really get into. Ooh, that one broke. Oh, they do hold me up. That's crazy. I'm not sure the temperature. I'm going to get some kind of... I'd be curious if any of you guys on my channel have a little temperature gauge or something. I mean, an outdoor, like, so that we could see how cold it is outside right now. I'm pretty sure it's between -5 and -10. I'm not, maybe -6 or something like that. I'm not really sure. But it's definitely getting into that time of the year. I found a little snow patches here and there. But we still got a bit of elevation to climb. We're not even quite at, we're getting close to 5,000 feet, but it is beautiful up here though. You guys are probably looking through your screen right now going, you probably got a nice beer or a nice warm tea or coffee or whatever you like. Oh boy, this looks sketchy. I don't advise, whoa, trying to ride across stuff like that, actually. Yeah, you guys are probably looking through your warm screen going, what a nut, look at this guy. It's a little chilly, a little icy, and I think we're going to be in snow here shortly. But that was kind of my goal today. I just wanted to see where the snow level was at, because this is likely the last ride I'll be up here. If my weather report is accurate, tonight and tomorrow we're supposed to get a little bit more of this, well, actually a fair bit, what they're calling for, so thought I'd get her done while I can. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised, you guys. This is probably my first ride in a couple inches of snow with the Moto's hybrid without studs. And it's actually got reasonable traction. What you got to watch out for is ruts and the ice underneath the snow. It's not necessarily a couple inches of snow that's slippery. Actually, it went from a couple inches to, yeah, there's probably 2 or 3 inches. Actually, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, we went way more than 2 inches now all of a sudden. It's more like 4. Yeah, there was a snow belt there. They must have got a heavy... Okay, now we're into a couple inches. Crazy-mas. I've almost come to the end of my journey on in the snow anyways. It's very cool. Beautiful, hey? Well, this is exciting, you guys. I really enjoy doing stuff like this. I know you guys are probably looking through my computer screen right now going, what a complete nut. But honestly, this is where that trials riding comes into play, where I can, you know, you follow these car trails or tracks. Keeps going from about 2 inches deep to 6 inches deep back there. It was really deep. I'm trying to find a field with no tracks in it, because the tracks are what's kind of tricky to follow, actually, unless you got pretty good balance. But I'm pleasantly surprised by the hybrid, the Motos. You know, we're in pure ice and snow here, and it's of course it's slippery, but it goes a lot better than you think it would, as long as you just keep it going in a straight line. Stick to your guns and follow these tracks. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful though, isn't that snow? It's first experience of the year for me with any reasonable amount of snow. Oh, look at that. I gotta get some pictures. I'll show you the difference here. Let me get out of these tracks if I can. That's kind of sketchy. Oh, big stick. Ouch. There, see, now you can kind of get into it a little bit. That's fun. Holy moly, you guys, the stuff I do is just goofy. Don't always do what I do. I just came down quite a steep hill and I have to get out of it, but I did, I tried it. There's got to be 6 or 8 inches of snow in here. Takes about third gear and a bit of throttle to go anywhere. Oh my gosh, this is borderline silly, but very fun. Oh my gosh. It's actually a grassy field in here. I was up here with one of my new buddies, my new YouTube buddies this past summer. He probably won't even recognize it. Oh yeah, that's pretty fun actually. So yeah, I'll get out of here. Wanted to get some drone shots of this frozen valley. Yeehaw! The hill I got to get up over there, but I've been studless all day here. And you know, it's reasonable traction for it is what it is. Can't say enough about those tires. Check them out. Okay, let's get this over with. I thought I'd take you guys along this time, see what I'm up against on this hill. It's fairly deep. I'd say we're pushing 6 inches, or maybe not quite, but close. And as you can see, I'm studless. I am biting through to the base layer a little bit. We don't have any base yet. It's pretty much just powder, so that's kind of why I can go so good. But this hill is sketchy, I got to admit. Okay, hang on, you guys. Holy sketchamus. Woo! Yeah, I found a little dirt there. So it can be done on a 690, as you just saw. I'm just having a little pun. This is a little ridiculous for the average person, I guess. Maybe I'm not so average. Bit of a nut, I suppose. I see snow as slippery and fun, and if you fall over, it's like sand. You're gonna get wet and cold. That's about it. Whoa! Coming in hot. Ouch! That was a frozen tree. So here's my hot tip of the day, my riding tip of the day, you guys. If you happen to be in multiple, go boy. There's the tip. Don't hit ruts. Darn it! Hot rod. Well, you guys, that's going to do it for me from this snowy, cold mountaintop in Canada. I definitely appreciate you guys watching all my stuff. Definitely drop some comments below and let me know what you guys think about these silly videos I make. Hit the old thumbs up, and if you guys aren't subscribed, definitely hit the old subscribe button right there. And down below, you guys, in the description, that's got all my social media and everything. You know, if you guys are interested in what I get up to, you know, when I'm not up here in the mountains, you can check it all out. There's links to everything there. My Patreon account's there. I've got a new video up there too, so you can go watch that and then see what the reason for the Patreon is. So yeah, I appreciate everybody watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Right on.